What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sera.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
It is Christmas Eve. Where did time go? It is going so fast. I can't believe it's Christmas, but today we are quickly going to the gym. It is 6:05. We're actually running late. I'm doing the class at 6 and Taru's got cardio. What matters is we're up. This guy, I kept snoozing my alarm, and this guy said that he was literally going to jump back in the bed if I didn't get up. We have a few errands to run today, so we will be bringing you guys along. But yeah, guys, it's Christmas Eve. Let's get into this vlog. Okay, guys, we arrived and we went straight for the block run. I think it was like 800 meters, and I died that whole time. Had to do catch up because I came late to class, but we got this athlete over here. Bunny. Okay fam, so we got home after gym and we did a massive cleanup of our house. Just did a good quick deep clean of our house. Want to go into Christmas with a dirty house, guys, so make sure you're cleaning your house. On our way to Julie's house right now because we won't be seeing them tomorrow as they will be spending Christmas with Bote's side of the family. So we're going to drop off the kids' presents to them and just see them and hang out with them for a little bit, and then we've got to go and do last minute shopping today. So yeah, let's go. Hi Lenny. Hi. Merry Christmas. Hiya Daya. Hey girls. Oh, Santa's here. Ho ho ho. You could ever love. Look at that.
I played GTA 5. What the heck?
I hope they play together. Wow.
Oh, Pepe! Dinosaur! Pepe, open dinosaur! Oh. Wow! You just want to see it all. Oh, that's so nice, Julie! He loves dinosaurs.
Hi everybody, my name is Langston too. I just want to say thanks to my uncles, my siblings, my cousins, and my aunts, and my parents. And I wish everyone a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. The reason for this season is Jesus.
Period!
Alright fam, so we are here, Panda Mart, but we're just looking for some things just to make the aesthetic of tomorrow's celebrations just pop out just a little bit. Loki, I love this place because it's got everything here. Tua, I don't know if Tua likes it. She likes it, she loves it. So yeah man, if you need something cheap or anything, really anything.
Guys, we're at Preston Market right now. We left Panama, now we're at Preston Market. If you know, you know. This is where everyone comes and gets their seafood, come for the best pizza. Guys, this is the spot to be for your seafood. One of my main shops for my boxing gym. That's one of the main shops right here. Going from Northside or you're going from Melbourne, if you haven't been to Preston Market, this is where it's at. I don't know about Dandy, I don't know about all the other places, but for the Northsiders, this is the spot.
Alright guys, so you know when you get that feeling that you feel like your loved ones, your mates, they're close? I knew it. What are the chances?
We have the Onasa fam here. They came to buy their meat and seafood here too.
Alright guys, so here we are playing games. We've started.
Okay.
Got the sis here, the bro. He must be the chameleon. They're playing chameleon, which is very similar to Mafia. This game master.
Oh yeah, we'll do this last one and then we can go eat.
But yeah, family time, nothing better. God is good. She's dishing it out.
Guys.
Oh, I'm playing now.
Yeah, you're playing now.
Yep, so.
Oh, no, Moto didn't get one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at what we got. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's do jobs.
Come on.
Okay, guys, we're gonna give them this word, jobs. And your cheat code is 6, 8.
Now looking at their cards. Okay.
Over here. 6, 8.
So this is us. Oi. A couple of chameleons down there. Okay, what do we got? Yeah, all right. Okay.
I'm gonna circle the answer for you here.
Oh.
Yeah. And the first one starting is Ina.
Ina, what's he got? What's he gonna say? Okay. Let's go, so.
Aid.
Aid?
Aid.
Can you spell aid?
A-I-D.
Yeah, helping aid.
Helping. He said 80.
Music. Yep.
Pool.
Pool.
We said instructor.
Substitute.
But see, that's so close.
What do you got, sister? What do you got? Comment down below if you guys have played this game. Alphabet.
Aid. No, but
Oh!
So it's not helping aid.
Like,
Wait, what was everyone's answers? Benny said it once, but he said aid. A-I-D.
But, hey, it's not close, but it's not far.
I get you.
True?
You're close.
But it's not far.
Very far.
well, if you went to school like I went to school,
Nah,
Hey, he did.
I finished year 12 first. So I don't know if he's had an aid or not.
Like hospital aid.
Yeah, I know it.
But like, my mouth in there.
Son, look at him.
Yeah, because he said.
What did I say?
He said pool. He said pool.
Yeah.
I low-key get it though. It's relatable.
What was your one? Alphabet. Nah, I went alphabet.
It's a bit outrageous,
so
saying.
close.
It's
That's
outrageous,
so
bro.
close.
Nah, because she just
Oh, am I playing? Sorry.
I know. Is that your job?
I don't know who it is. I don't know. Sorry. Yeah, eliminate guys.
Yeah, just do the vote.
Oh, no, baby sheep.
Sis, that finger's crazy, bro. That finger is crazy.
Who votes for local? 2. Wow.
But you
Who votes for Tadu?
Oh,
One,
damn.
So let's see how. Show your card.
Sorry, what's up?
Oh! You
Really?
I couldn't say pool teacher. No, I can't trust you. Are you lying to me?
That's how you don't be the chameleon. Jesus.
You just wanna
Yeah, I knew it. So who's the pool guy? Never trust the pool
Pool
guy.
guy, bro.
If you